Hi, good afternoon. As you can see, this wardrobe is getting assembled in this room, and it's getting assembled. That's the door, that's the wardrobe, and that's the hinges. This is a two-door wardrobe. Obviously, it's a time-consuming business. It takes time to get it assembled. As you can see, this is one guy, and I'm also recording it. So this is how it comes. But when it come as a flat pack in the box. The reason of the flat pack is because you don't know the width of the door. Also, you don't know how the entrance is. Just an example, this house, as you can see, the entrance is very difficult to get the wardrobe up. You can't get a 3-door or a 2-door wardrobe up in this house. And if you try to move it, you can damage the paint, you can damage the stairs, you can damage any part of the property, and also you can damage the wardrobe. So what we do, we come to your choice room, we get 2 people there, we fit it in wherever you want, and this is how it is. And they come flat pack in boxes, and then we assemble it to your place. So no damage to the property, no damage to the wardrobe. Obviously it's a time consuming and it's hard work, but obviously assembling takes time. For a 2-door wardrobe, it's a minimum 30 to 40 minutes, and for a 3-door, it takes 1 hour to 1 hour 15 minutes. 4-door, 1:15 to 1.5 hours, depending on the place, conditions, stairs, and the moment of the stairs. As you can see, this wardrobe, this is already done. It's been getting assembled. Also, this is high gloss. As you can see, all the doors are high gloss. In this wardrobe, we do only high gloss wardrobes. These are all high quality. This high gloss as well. As you can see, there's a plastic there. I'm just trying to take out the plastic so you can know exactly the condition. You see, that's the high gloss, and that's with the mirror, with the full mirror to the bottom. So obviously this is the condition, how it's come. So therefore we prefer getting it assembled to your room choice rather than getting assembled in a house and damaging your property or damaging the wardrobe. Thank you.